Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add the RSI or the Relative Strength Index indicator to your chart here on Avato.com. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click our indicators tab right here, then go down to oscillators, and you can see right here it says Relative Strength Index. We'll click there. I personally don't change any settings, but you can change the settings how you'd like here. Click apply. And there we go. So now we have the RSI indicator on our chart. That's the one at the bottom here. Now remember, the RSI has two levels. So the top level is the 70 level. Now, whenever we notice that the market is getting overbought, which means too much buying has happened and the RSI is getting close or crosses the 70 mark, that means that it's a good time for us to start looking for a reversal so that the market will start to come back down. Now, on the opposite side, the RSI level of 30 at the bottom indicates that the market is getting close to or is now oversold. So too much selling has happened. Now, when the RSI gets close to or below 30, that's when I would be looking for a long position or a buy trade because the market might start to reverse sometime soon. So that's how we use the RSI indicator, and that's how you apply it to your chart on Avato.com.